Alrighty, so we're just going to jump right into this video. I'm just going to be taking my blue powder, which is going to be the Clear All Blue Collider Colors. And then I'm going to be taking my 30 volume developer. You can use any kind of developer. And then I'm just going to take a clear plastic bowl, and then I'm just going to pour in the powder first. You just want to eyeball it. I don't measure anything, and I did not use the whole pack. So I'm just eyeballing how much I think I need. You're just doing your lace, and then you're going to mix up the powder with the developer. And so you just want to kind of eyeball it, like I said, because I don't measure. If you use measuring cups, perfect. You don't have to worry about eyeballing it. Just use like whatever, like 1 cup of whatever of each item necessarily. But you want to kind of make it until it gets like a thick paste. And if you see here, if it was too watery, I went ahead and added more powder to it, so you need it to be a thick, consistent base. Now once you got it to the consistency you like, you're just going to spread that all over the back of your lace. I'm just using a old spatula that I have, and that's what I'm using. People use plastic knives, butter knives. You can literally use anything. And I'm just going to work in sections. I started with the front, and now I'm moving on to the sides, of course. And if you have a question on why we're using blue powder instead of like just regular white clear powder, the blue is to help tone down that brassiness or that orange tone that comes with the bleach. So with that, you don't even have to worry about, if you use a blue powder, you don't necessarily have to worry about all the brassiness. You know, you'll get the perfectly bleached knots. And switching over to blue powder has been a lifesaver. Like, you are going to get the perfectly bleached knots every time. Once I got that spread it all over, I'm just going to let that sit for 30 minutes. So make sure you start a timer for 30 minutes. I literally could have left it on here for an hour because I wanted it bleached a little bit more. And you don't necessarily have to worry about over bleaching with blue powder because it just takes so long to like bleach it. Like, it doesn't even matter. So here you'll see me rinsing off all of that solution off of the lace, and then I'm just going to shampoo and condition the hair, and then I'm going to be back. And I know I look like I'm being a little rough, but you need to be gentle just so you won't tear your lace. Now I'm going to go in with my purple shampoo, and I'm just going to put a little on my hand, and I'm just going to rub it onto my lace. This is just to help if you do have any brassiness. I literally had like a little bit, like not even. But I'm just using it just to make sure that, you know, I just get any kind of orange tint out of there. And then that will be all. And you really want to make sure that you are penetrating your lace with this purple shampoo. That way you can just literally make sure that all the brassiness is gone. I mean, all of it. Not that you'll have much with the blue powder, but, you know, literally like soak it in there and then just rinse all of that out. Now that I got that purple shampoo wash, I'm just going to go in with my Whole Blends conditioner. You can literally use any conditioner. I usually use my 4 Haley conditioner for all of my wigs and extensions. I just could not find where I put it at. So I'm just using my handy dandy Whole Blends. And I'm just going to make sure I saturate that conditioner all through the hair. This is really good if you do have curly wigs, to go ahead and wash it before. That way you can see how much it sheds and the actual really curl pattern, and get that weird like new smell out of there. So I'm just gonna let the hair dry overnight, but this is how the knots came out. Like, ladies, look at that. Like, definitely giving every bit of scalp. Like, you can see where I could have left it on just a little bit longer, but it's still giving. It was serving, y'all. Like, and y'all seen this wig all over like my YouTube, if you follow me on social media, my Instagram, everything. And like, I absolutely love this curly wig. Like, the lace is lacing, okay? But yeah, this is the full tutorial. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video.